planet frame. It can be adjusted actually in any mainstream mode, getting super high rotation, accuracy and smoothness. On this basis, we innovatively use integrated gear shaft and integrated gear ring, cause it can reduce the cumulative tolerance and eliminate the possibility to lose screws, which makes it obtained the characteristic of high accuracy, high rigidity and big load. We also adopt high precision ISO 5 grade helical planetary grill set. The precision of PD product has steadily achieved the precision of P1 level, and the highest one can be controlled within 1 arc minute. By comparison and verification, we selected chrome and manganese titanium alloy steel for making planetary gear. After heat treatments, the tooth part is hard and the core is flexible, which makes the gear has high abrasion resistance and can stand impact without brittle crack. Chrome molybdenum alloy steel for gear shaft and planet frame, as this material is very rigid, which can bear different external loads perfectly. Through rigorous scrutiny from inside to outside,